19th Annual BBQ Bash for the Villages Charter School. I mean, man, it's awesome out here.
And so we all provide our own meat. We have a competition of each category, and all of the donation, all the funds go toward the charter school as a donation.
Really good.
And it really means a lot to me because, I mean, I was class of 2016 from the Villages Charter School, and just to have the outpour of love and just admiration from the community into my, input into my childhood, and to be able to give back just means so much to me and my family. That's just awesome.
There is a judging contest between all the different teams that are spread out around the square.
This year there's 30 teams competing in the competition. We're competitive, so we all want to be on top.
I definitely know we got the best booth. I do know that.
He didn't have much to say about our finish, but hey, we had a great time. That's all that matters, right?